In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your HubSpot and Shopify integration. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your HubSpot account with the right permissions and have your Shopify store's subdomain handy. This is the part of your store URL that comes before myshopify.com. Having that ready will make the connection smooth. Start on your HubSpot home screen. From here, open the Marketplace icon and choose the App Marketplace. This is where HubSpot centralizes trusted apps and native connectors, and it's the safest way to link Shopify to your CRM without custom code. Once you're in the Marketplace, go to the Apps section. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type Shopify into the search. You're looking for the native Shopify listing, often labeled as Shopify Data Sync. This app is designed to pass key e-commerce data, like customers and orders, into HubSpot so you can segment, automate, and report more effectively. Click the Shopify listing to open its details page. Take a moment to review the overview and permissions so you know exactly what will be shared between systems. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through a brief setup flow to confirm the connection. On the first prompt, click Next to proceed. You'll now be asked for your Shopify subdomain. Enter only the subdomain, not the full URL. For example, if your store is examplestore.myshopify.com, you would type example store. If you're unsure, you can find it in your Shopify admin under Domains. Accuracy here matters because HubSpot uses this to find and authorize the correct store. With the subdomain entered, click Connect to Shopify. HubSpot will hand you off to Shopify to establish a secure connection and confirm access. This handshake is what lets the two platforms sync your e-commerce data. If anything doesn't connect on the first try, double-check the spelling of your subdomain and that you're logged into the correct Shopify store in your browser. Once connected, you're all set. HubSpot and Shopify will begin talking to each other, and you'll be able to leverage your store data inside HubSpot for lists, workflows, and dashboards. If you manage multiple stores, repeat this process for each one, keeping an eye on which HubSpot account you're installing into. That's the complete setup. Open HubSpot's App Marketplace, search Shopify, install, proceed with Next, enter your Shopify subdomain, and click Connect to Shopify. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you get your integration running, subscribe for more.